Hello, my friends. Today we're going to have fun making farm animal shapes with Play-Doh. Here is our dog mold. Take a look at this orange Play-Doh. We're going to roll it out into a nice, flat circle. Let's press our mold into the Play-Doh, and now lift it up carefully. Look at that! We've made a beautiful dog shape. Let's add an eye to our dog to give it some personality. We've done a great job making this playful little puppy. Next, let's make our second shape, which is a donkey. Here's our navy blue Play-Doh. We're going to roll it out into a flat circle just like we did before. Now, press the mold down into the Play-Doh. Carefully lift it up. And there we have it, a fantastic donkey shape. Let's add an eye to our donkey to bring it to life. Perfect. Our donkey looks wonderful and ready for some farm adventures. Let's move on to our third shape, which is a chicken. Here is our chicken mold. Take a look at this purple Play-Doh. We're going to roll it out into a flat circle just like before. Press the mold firmly into the Play-Doh and then carefully lift it off. Look at that! We've created a beautiful chicken shape. Let's add an eye to our chicken to make it look lively. Amazing! Our chicken is all set and looking fantastic. Next up, let's make our fourth shape, which is a duck. Here is our duck mold. This time, we have green Play-Doh. Let's roll it out into a flat circle, ready for our mold. Press the mold down into the Play-Doh and then gently lift it up. And there it is. A perfect duck shape. It looks adorable. Let's add an eye to our duck, giving it a cute and lively appearance. Our duck is ready and looks absolutely charming. Here is our farmer mold. For our farmer, we'll use blue Play-Doh. Let's roll it out into a flat circle, ready for the mold. Press the mold firmly into the Play-Doh, then carefully lift it up. Let's add an eye to our farmer, bringing him to life with a friendly look. Excellent! Our farmer is all set and looks wonderful.
Hello!
He's ready to take care of all the farm animals. Let's continue with our next farm animal, which is a sheep. For our sheep, we have this lovely yellow Play-Doh. Let's roll it out into a flat circle, just right for our mold. Now, press the mold down into the Play-Doh and then gently lift it up. And there we have it, a perfect sheep shape. Let's give our sheep an eye to make it look even more adorable. Wonderful. Last but not least, let's create a tractor. We'll use this vibrant red Play-Doh for our tractor. Let's roll it out into a flat circle, perfect for the mold. Press the mold down into the Play-Doh and then carefully lift it up. Look at that! We've made a fantastic tractor. Even though tractors don't have eyes. Let's add a fun little detail to give it some character. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and creative activities.